Seleko and his family, they've got a family trip. So Snare, she was there at family trip, but she doesn't want to go. Macele first year to go to the family trip to look after children. So guys, Mangwabe and Snare, they don't even talk to each other. You understand? Guys, Snare hates Mangwabe a lot, hates Mangwabe and Makumalo. So Musamseleku, he was asking Snare about things she was talking at broadcast. Guys, there is no need to ask her again. You understand? So Musamseleku, he wants to ask her in front of Makumalo and Mangwab. And Mpumelelo said there is no need to ask her because guys, Musamseleku, he had a conversation with Snare at the first time after his birthday, if you remember. You understand it? And they've got a conversation, the two of them, Snare and Musamseleko. You understand? There is no need to ask here again. And Musamseleko, he have to know that Snare sometimes on his she is not normal. You understand? If she said she hates Mangobe and Makumalo, she hates them. There is no need. And at that time, guys, that time people, they were happy at the trip. There is no need to ruin everyone's mood. You understand? There is no need to ruin everyone's mood. So guys, Musamselek, we had got a wrong timing about asking Snare about the trip because the Snare, she was not comfortable. She was not even happy. Other kids were happy, but Snare, she doesn't have a, she was not excited. You understand? Because she knows what she was talking at broadcast. You understand? She feels that she is guilty and she was guilty. You understand? Sometimes if even we know something, guys, we have to close our mouth sometimes and respect it because Mangwabe and Makumalo, it's their father's wives. You understand? There is no need to hate them or talking bad about them. You understand? Snare, she was feeling guilty because a person who forced her to go to go to the family trip, it's Macele. She doesn't want to go to the family trip because some others, they have got funny at family trip. You understand? But Snare, she was not happy because she was very guilty. You understand? She was very guilty. Guys, Pumelelo stopped his father about those conversations because everyone, guys, was very happy. There is no need to ruin the mood. Even Snare, she is guilty. They have to live here on her character. Snare is Snare, guys. There is no need to change that girl. You understand?